Hi there, this is Kyle with Homeqwik. Today we are at 3520 North 85th Street in Scottsdale. This is a great location, nice neighborhood, really close to Old Town Scottsdale. Shopping, dining, everything that has to offer. Close to the 101 and 202 freeways, and also very close to ASU's main campus. This here is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath property, coming in at a little over 1,850 square feet. We've got a few upgrades inside to show you, and plenty of other cool stuff too, so let's go take a look. Alright, we are walking just inside the front door here and hanging on the left. Get to see the big, wide open space here. You can do so much with this. Dining room, living room, family room, tons of potential. We've got these nice new ceiling fans all over the house. See those in every room. You can already see that pool in the backyard. Nice open kitchen here, little bar area. Washer dryer in unit, and through there is a bedroom. This bedroom's got a big walk-in closet. Access to the side yard. But before we head outside, let's go ahead and check out the other half of the house. Alright, you can go either left or right, but dead in front of us here is one of the guest bedrooms. Newly remodeled bathroom. Here's our master bedroom. Again, nice new fittings in the bathroom. Alrighty. Other end of the hallway will be our last bedroom. And that'd be everything to show you inside the house, so we'll meet you in the backyard. Alright, looking just outside the door to the backyard. Lots of covered space here. Sized pool behind that fence, of course, and a little new side yard to accompany that. That is fake grass, so little upkeep here. Right, that about wraps it up here at 3520 North 85th Street. If you want to see this house or any of our other great homes, go ahead and visit our website at www.homeqwik.com or give us a call at 602-792-5012. Thanks for watching, everybody.